Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA, and here we are starting a new series of GlideRecord object where we use this GlideRecord like user scenarios majorly asked in the interviews. Like first we need to learn before going to that what is GlideRecord in ServiceNow, and then we'll see where we can use this GlideRecord and what are the queries we can make regarding this GlideRecord object. And GlideRecord is a server-side API which works on backend or database or the list level of the tables. Okay. And apart from that, it is a server like it's a ServiceNow class and used to perform the database operations like without writing SQL queries. Like without using the SQL queries, we can query the database, we can create a record, we can update a record, and we can delete a record. Apart from this, like GlideRecord is used in ServiceNow to manipulate the records and tables. Like manipulation, nothing but to perform the CRUD operations like creating a record, updating a record, and deleting a record. And it works on any ServiceNow table, like the GlideRecord object or GlideRecord API. We can use on any ServiceNow table. And here are some use cases where we use a GlideRecord majorly, like querying the records. Like if you want to query any records from a table based upon certain conditions, we can use GlideRecord for that also. And along with that, if you want to update any fields of a record in a table, we can use GlideRecord and some relative methods there. And also we can create records by using GlideRecord API, and we can also delete a record, specific record, by using this GlideRecord methods in ServiceNow. Okay, and more videos are coming upon regarding the use cases of this GlideRecord API in ServiceNow, and catch them in the playlist. Thanks for your time. Jai Hind.